Now we learn about substitution method. The second method of solving linear pair of equation of two variables is substitution method, है ना. To learn substitution method, we will take one question, that is example number 7 of your book. Example number 7. Given equations are, the first equation is 7x minus 15y is equal to 2. 7x minus 15y equal to equation number 1. We have given it equation number 1 because it is well arranged in its standard form. What is the standard form of linear equation? a1x plus b1y, and the c1 is right hand side of equal sign, so is equal to c1. So it is in standard form, so we give it equation number 1. Again we have equation number 2 is x plus 2y is equal to 3. Now the name of method is substitution method. Substitute करना means किसी की स्थान पर किसी और को लाके बैठाल देना ही सब्स्टिट्यूशन कहलाता है. सब्स्टिट्यूशन, एक के प्लेस में, फॉर एग्जांपल आप लोग बैठे हुए हो, मैं एक को उसके प्लेस से स्टैंड करूं और सेकंड स्टूडेंट से बोलूं कि तुम इसकी जगह पर आकर बैठ जाओ. तो दिस इज, मैंने क्या किया, मैंने एक स्टूडेंट को दूसरे स्टूडेंट से सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया. तो द सिमिलर वे वी यूज इन सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड, है ना. What we do, we take any one equation, any one of these two equations, first and second. This is your wish, which equation you want to take. So when that means the condition is up to you. What you take, you will take the, yes, you will take the simple equation. So in these two equations, the second equation is more simple than the first one. So we are picking equation number 2. After that, what you do, you can find any value from equation number 2, whether you can find the value of x or value of y. So suppose we are, so now by equation number 2, the value of x is easy to find here. What we do, we just side change 2y this side and we get the value of x. Simple. So by equation 2, the value of x will be how much? Yes, 3 minus 2y. Give it equation number 3. तो यहाँ तक तो देखो आपकी मर्जी की बात थी कि हम इक्वेशन नंबर 1 से वैल्यू निकालें या इक्वेशन नंबर 2 से. तो जो हमको इजी लगा हमने वो वाला इक्वेशन पिक किया और जो वैल्यू इजी हमको लगी निकालने में वो वाली निकाल ली. नाउ अब इसकी वैल्यू आपको रिप्लेस करनी है. तो यहाँ अब आपकी मर्जी की बात नहीं रहेगी. अगर आपने, बहुत ध्यान रखने वाली बात यहीं पर है कि अगर आपने ये वैल्यू x की वैल्यू इक्वेशन नंबर 2 से फाइंड की है तो फिर ये वैल्यू आप इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में पुट करोगे. दिस इज मोस्ट नेसेसरी. और अगर आपने इक्वेशन 1 से कोई वैल्यू निकाली है तो उसको सेकंड में रखना. ये गलती हमसे नहीं होना चाहिए कि हमने इक्वेशन 2 से ही वैल्यू निकाली है और इक्वेशन 2 में ही पुट कर दी. यहाँ पर ऐसा कर दिया आपने तो 0 हो गया. मार्क्स कंफर्म 0 ही मिलेंगे आपको फिर, और क्वेश्चन आपका सॉल्व भी नहीं होगा. क्लियर. तो यहाँ पर वैल्यू फाइंड करने में आपकी मर्जी थी. इक्वेशन 1 से किसी की x की या y की वैल्यू निकाल सकते थे हम. इक्वेशन 2 टेक करके उससे भी x या y की निकाल सकते थे हम. यहाँ पर रिमेंबर, है ना. वन थिंग दैट इफ यू हैव फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x और y फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर 1, so put it in equation number 2, and if you have find the value of x or y from equation number 2, you have to put it on in equation number 1. This is most important thing about substitution method. So we have find value of x from which equation?
Second.
From second equation. So we put in
First equation.
So we write here by putting the value of x in equation number 1. You have find the value of x from 2, so you put the value of x in 1. And if we have find the value of x or y from 1, then we put it into second. This is most important thing. So put the value of x in equation number 1. Your equation number 1 is this. What? 7. Put value of x, that is 3 minus 2y. Value of x is put here. Now the remaining equation will be same. Minus 15y is equal to 2 will be same. Now solve this. This equation become now single variable. It has, now you can see the x is not there. X is substituted by y. That's why what? Substitution method. Simple. Solve this. 7 3 ja 21, 7 2 ja
14
minus
15
is equal to
2.
minus 14y minus 15y minus 29y is equal to 2. We have to find value of y. Now double side change. Minus 29y goes there. This 2 comes here. So we have what? 21 is same. Plus 2 coming this side become minus 2 is equal to minus 29 goes that side. So become plus 29y. Clear? 21 minus 2 19 is equal to 29y. Side change. So we get y is equal to 19 upon 29. This 29 is in multiply, so it become in divide. 19 by 29. This is value of y. Now from here the elimination method and substitution method is same. You have find the value of y. Now you are free to put this value in any one equation among 1, 2 and 3. So again you have your own base now. So what, how we make decision? We will choose that equation which is most simple. So so see in among equation 1 up 2 and 3, you can see clearly equation 3 is easiest because it is already side changed. So we put our value in equation number 3. You can put in 1 and 2 also, but this is simplest equation, third. तो जब हमारी मर्जी की ही बात है कि हम किसी में भी रख सकते हैं, तो हम ये देखेंगे कि तीनों इक्वेशन में इजी किस में पड़ेगा हमको, राइट ना. तो इजीएस्ट इक्वेशन कौन सा दिख रहा है हमको? थर्ड वन, बिकॉज इट इज ऑलरेडी साइड चेंज्ड. इसमें साइड हाइट चेंज हम कर चुके हैं. तो नाउ वी पुट दिस वैल्यू इन इक्वेशन नंबर 3. यू कैन पुट इट इनटू 1 or 2 or 3. We are choosing 3rd because it is simplest. So by putting, yes, by putting y is equal to 19 by 29 in equation 3rd. तो equation 3rd is, yes, x is equal to 3 minus 2y के प्लेस में 19 by 29. क्लियर? Now it is x is equal to 3 same minus same. 29 is not divisible by 2. So 2 into 19. 19 to ja 38 by 29. Take LCM. LCM is 29. 29 into 3 हो जाएगा 3 into 29 minus 38. So x is equal to what? 3 9 ja 27 remains 2. 3 2 ja 6 and 2 87 minus 38 by 29. So x is equal to what? 87 minus 38. So 17 minus 8, that is 9, and 7 minus 3, it is 49 by 29. Clear? So value of x will be 49 by 29. We will write answer at the end. X is equal to 49 by 29 and y is equal to 19 by 29. This is your answer. Clear? Note it down. Now we see exercise 3.3. It is based on substitution method. You can see in your books also. The first question is solve the following pair of linear equations by the substitution method. Clear? So we are taking the second question of first question. Question number 1, second of first. Given equations s minus t equal 3. This is written in its standard form, so we give it equation number 1. And the second equation is s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Now you can see the given second equation is different from first equation. There are two numbers 3 and 2 which are in denominator of each variable s and t. So what we can do is we can remove these 3 and 2 to make this equation simple. So 3 and 2 are in divide. If you want to remove any number from dividation, you have to multiply the equation by that number. In this case we have to remove 3 and 2 both. So we will multiply this equation by 3 and 2 both. 3 and 2 both means 6, right? तो multiply by 6 कर देते हैं इसको. Multiply by 6. So 6 into s by 3 plus t by 2 equals 6. Clear? Multiply. तो 6 into s by 3, तो 3 2 जा 6 remains what? 2 into s plus 6 multiply by t by 2, तो 2 3 जा 6, that is 3t, and 6 into 6 is 36. Now we will give equation number second to this. We have converted this equation into division form to simple form. Right? Now we do the same thing which we done in the previous example. From here, what you do? You can take any one of these two equations. So you can see clearly the equation first is easier than the second. So we take what? Equation number first. So by equation first. So by equation first we can find the value of either x or t. तो किसकी इजी पड़ेगी भाई? s की वैल्यू इजी पड़ेगी, t का बस साइड चेंज कर दें वहां. तो वैल्यू ऑफ s इज यस 3 plus t. इसको हमने दे दिया इक्वेशन नंबर थर्ड. So from which equation we have find value of x? from equation number 1. Then what? We will put this value in which equation? In equation second. It is must, है ना. अगर आपने गलती से फर्स्ट से ही वैल्यू फाइंड की और फर्स्ट में ही पुट कर दिया तो आपकी मेथड हो गई फिनिश यहीं पर. अभी ये कुछ नहीं होगा, सॉल्व नहीं होगा. 0 मार्क्स कन्फर्म हो गए आपके बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन. क्लियर? तो रिमेंबर वन थिंग. So we have find the value of s from equation number first, so then we put it into the equation number second. This is must. So by putting what?
S is equal to 3 plus 18.
By putting, just write value of x. By putting value of x, value of s, your variable this time, instead of x and y we have s and t. So by putting value of s in equation which? Second. Why in second again? Because we have find the value of s from 1, that's why we are putting in second. If we have find it by equation second, then we will put it into equation number 1. Put the value of s in equation second. Equation second is this. 2 same. The value of s is 3 plus t plus 3t same is equal to 36 same. Any doubt up to here? No. 2 3 jar plus 2t plus 3t is equal to 36. 6 same. 2t plus 3t 5t is equal to 36. Now side change 6. 6 का साइड चेंज करेंगे तो 5t is equal to 36 minus 6. 36 minus 6 30. So value of t is 30 by 5. Side change 5. 30 by 5. 35 by 5 is 5 6 ja 30, right? So we have t is equal to 6. When we get one value, now you are again free to put this value of t in any one among 1, 2 and 3. So the easiest equation is equation number 3rd because it is already side changed. So in substitution method normally we always take this 3rd equation. So by putting what? T is equal to 6 in equation number 3rd. So your equation 3rd is s equal 3 plus t, value of t is 6. 3 plus 6 9. Clear? So your answer is yes, s is equal to 9 and t is equal to 6. We have learned in the beginning, see equation number 1 and equation number 2, a1 by a2, 1 by 2, b1 by b2, minus 1 by 3, c1 by c2, 3 by 36, that is 1 by 12. All are different, that means the equation, the system has unique solution. It has unique solution. Now you have done this question by elimination method also, and you can observe that the answer is same because it has what? Unique solution. That means what? कि हम मेथड कोई सी भी लगाएं, अगर किसी इक्वेशन का यूनिक सॉल्यूशन है तो उसके आंसर में फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा. मेथड बदलने से आंसर में कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता क्योंकि इट इज़ हैविंग यूनिक सॉल्यूशन. So if we do this particular question by all 5 methods, we which we have to learn or which we have learned, the answer will be same. S is equal to 9 and T is equal to 6. There is no change in answer. This is what? So note it down. Okay, now the remaining question of question number first are your homework. If you have any problem, you can ask. You can also do the first question of 3.4 by substitution method. Remaining of 3.3 question number first, and exercise 3.4 question number first you have to do with substitution method. And you have any problem, you can ask, you can share. Okay.